Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I'm going to be talking about the concept of doing what's hard so that things become easy. And I'm going to relate this to being a YouTube content creator. And so whenever you start off on YouTube, if you've never done anything like this before, obviously there are so many things to learn, and it is hard at the beginning. Even something as like coming up with the name of your YouTube channel, coming up with the concept of the idea of what you're going to do, that's already hard in and of itself, especially if you're going to get into the category where there's already tons of channels and videos available. And so even after that, you're going to have to learn the technical stuff. How do you actually create your channel art for your YouTube channel? What about creating your first video, editing, and then uploading your very first YouTube video, figuring out what the titles are, the descriptions? All those things are hard at the beginning. And then even after you upload your video, you're going to realize like, wait, nobody's watching my video. And then as you keep uploading, slowly but surely, you will get some views. But then it's going to be not the thing that you were hoping for. You know, nobody's subscribing. Nobody knows you're out there. And so that's hard. And then later on, as you get more experience, you actually upload more videos, you have grown a small community, and you get views. Then the next step is, well, how do you keep that going? How do you keep that growing? And you're going to hit these periods where you get a lot of growth, and then nothing's going to happen for a while. And that's another hard thing. And then finally, your actual community that you're building. You're going to get people who are awesome, and you're also going to get people who are haters and trolls. And those things are never going to end. And at the beginning, once again, it's hard because you've never really had to deal with anything like this before. And so over time, these hard things that you did at the beginning and that you will continue to do hard things later on, they'll just be different stuff, it actually becomes easy, okay? And it makes things easier. That doesn't mean that you're not going to have to do any work. But since you've already had experience with this before, creating videos, coming up with ideas, also communicating with your community, then those things become easy. Like nowadays, a lot of things that used to be hard for me, even creating one video, I could do more than 10 or 20 videos in a week. And I pretty much produce content every single day on multiple outlets. And so that's become easy. And then in terms of interacting or working with my community, that's become easier as well. Because now I kind of know who my community is and also who my community isn't. Okay? And then in terms of the growth strategy, I've kind of learned to, take it in as more of a business role, and that's always been my mindset. And with that, you're actually going to have ups and downs, and you're going to have to learn to adapt and figure out which things work the best. And so overall, those are the main things. When I say things are, hard at the beginning, do the hard things, and then it'll become easier as you go forward. And then everything else that people are hoping for, the growth, obviously the money, all that other stuff, that comes along later, because initially, I don't think anybody will have quick success right away or get to the goals that they want unless they've had experience doing all the hard things first. And so that is it for this episode. If you had any thoughts on anything that I talked about today, or you had your own experience of doing something hard and now that it's easy, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to subscribe. And if you wanted to support my channel further, you could do that at patreon.com/geekoutdoors. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.